In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from OneDrive to your PC. Whether you're looking to back up your important documents or simply need them available offline, this guide will walk you through the process in a way that's easy to understand and follow. To get started, you'll first want to log into your Microsoft account. If you aren't already signed in, head over to Microsoft's login page and enter your credentials. This will grant you access to all Microsoft services, including OneDrive, which is where we'll be focusing our attention. Once you're logged in, look for the Apps Launcher, which is usually represented by a grid icon located in the upper left corner of most Microsoft service pages. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu of available Microsoft applications. From this list, select OneDrive to open your cloud storage. After OneDrive loads, it should land you on the main page. Here you'll find an option labeled My Files. Clicking on this will show you all the files and folders you've stored in your OneDrive account. Take a moment to locate the file or files you wish to transfer to your PC. Once you have visual on them, click to select the specific file or files you want to move. With your file selected, you'll need to click on the More Options icon. It typically looks like an ellipsis or a series of 3 dots. This action will bring up a small menu where you'll find the option to download. Clicking Download starts the process of transferring the selected files from OneDrive to your PC's default Downloads folder. It's a straightforward way to ensure that the files are transferred intact and ready to use. There's also an alternative method for those who prefer a more direct approach. Start by opening File Explorer on your PC. Once open, navigate to the OneDrive folder. You can usually find this under Quick Access or This PC on your sidebar. Inside your OneDrive folder, you'll see the same set of files and folders you viewed online. Simply click and hold on the file you wish to move, and then drag it to your desired location on your PC. This could be your desktop, a specific folder, or any other preferred destination. Just release the mouse button to drop the file there. This drag-and-drop approach is a smooth and effective way to transfer your files without needing to download them first. By following these steps, you should be able to move your files from OneDrive to your PC effortlessly. Both methods are effective, so feel free to choose the one that suits your style best. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.